Wonderful 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage home in Whitehouse ISD. This move-in ready home is perfect for any buyer. The open floor plan provides an ease in entertaining or everyday living. The kitchen is equipped with stainless appliances, pantry, good storage, and is open to the dining area. The family room with tall ceilings, crown molding, and fireplace has a wall of windows which allow for natural light to pour into the space. The split master bedroom with built-ins is generous in size and has an ensuite bath with double sinks, separate tub and shower, separate walk-in closets, and the utility room is close by. The 2 guest rooms share a full hall bath and provide ample space for family or guests. Great storage throughout. Enjoy the large, fully fenced backyard from either the covered back patio or cool off in the above-ground pool. New outside AC. Don't let this one get away. Special financing available. Come see. Come buy.